It's not completely true, but it's too tempting to ignore the line. Chapman University has gone to the dogs.
Yes.
But it is 100% accurate to say that at least for 2 hours, Chapman University did go to the puppies with the blessings of the students and the faculty. Just 2 days away from finals week at Chapman University, and an organization called Active Minds said there's no better way to relax students, put them at ease, than to intermix them with puppy dogs. What's it doing for you?
Making me more happy and not think about finals. I'm not even thinking about finals right now at
You're holding
all.
that dog like it's yours.
I wish it was.
The 10 little dogs brought today, all belonging to a family in Torrance, were like magnets on this campus. Take a look at the crowd, the line that gathered around. Active Minds is active in 200 college campuses throughout the United States and Canada. And for Chapman, this was a first. Oh, come here. Actually, this kind of therapy is not new. People have brought dogs into rest homes, into hospitals, and it's very therapeutic. This one lost his toy, but he's a feisty little guy, isn't he? But it's supposed to work.
I love dogs. I'm just really excited.
Are you thinking of your finals?
No. It just makes me happy because he's just so carefree, so it kind of makes you carefree.
All these dogs have a home, but the university wants it to be known. You can adopt dogs like this. They're available.
There are so many animals in the shelters right now that need a home.
The dean of the library loved this idea of puppies on campus, so I asked the question, would you allow a puppy like these in your library?
Sure.
Okay, on record. Okay.
Sure, on record.
Music to the ears of the little dogs, I'm sure. From Chapman University in Orange,